Stick around because I'm going to be giving you a behind-the-scenes tour of what we're doing while we're all stranded at home. Well, we're stuck at home. And seeing as I'm stuck at home, what am I doing? Well, right now I don't have any printers running because I'm doing a couple of things around the house. I'm trying to get this area set up properly so that we can have printers in here and we can do all kinds of stuff. I'm hand holding this. We're going to do this episode of the First Layer vlog style, so stick around. All right, so this is our main monitor, a nice 32-inch, and then I have a secondary monitor over here, which is a 27-inch LG. If you can't tell, I'm a big LG fan. I love LG products. I've never had a bad one. Up here is my recorder, which is a Tascam DR60 Mark II. Really good little recorder. I talked about that the other day. We've got some drives over here, which the bottom one we still have to figure out how we're going to hook it up. You can see, if I move the phone out of the way, you guys can see that I've got my little Lego guy that I've been working on. And down there is just a D-Link 2-drive NAS. I need to get some drives for that, of course. And my desk is a mess, so I might as well show you. So here we have a charging battery for this camera that I'm using. There we have the Elgato Stream Deck, which we use if we hit this button. You can see that we've got all of our buttons right there on the Stream Deck. Down below that we have our Scarlett 2i2, which is connected to the mixer on the out. And then, of course, we have our PV wireless mic. Yes, I've got all kinds of junk on my table right now. There's parts for more Lego people. There's my phone again. Here we have a Canon Vixia right here. I don't know what we're going to do with this Vixia yet. It might just become an overhead shot. That was the original plan for it in the studio. And this is a Canon Vixia HFR20. I've had this one for a long time. That used to be my main studio camera a long time ago. It is a 1080p camera, and it does work really, really well. Now, this desk that you see with all this junk on it right now, including my color chart, is going to be the main desk that I do things on. Working around to my daily driver desk, we've got my laptop, some cables. I've got to do a little tidying up and some cleaning. I just thought I'd give you guys a look at the chaos. And of course, I have my lightsaber, which, if I can turn it on, there we go. I have my lightsaber. Okay. I have to make some stands for that lightsaber here pretty soon. No, great. Just put it right on top of your keyboard, dummy. So this is my main setup here at home. This is my daily routine. This is where I do all my writing for future episodes. I do a lot of my slicing on this computer. This is a 3770, I think. I've got mail over there that I'm going to have a look at. We have a light back here, actually two lights. This one right here is a LED light that I can change the color on. Of course, we have my Batman Arkham Asylum Collector's Edition. One of my Batmobiles up there. I know it's kind of hard to see some of the stuff here. This shelf is pretty much empty. Some of my Star Wars and my Adamar monkey, who has been with me for a long time. Some DVDs and some other goodies. Down here, this is a future spot for a 3D printer. And then, of course, we've got what is supposed to be a nice clean shot behind me of just some stuff. This will get cleaned up right away. We have a resin printer here, so we've been doing some resin printing. Down below, we've got some more resin and filament. This is a blackout curtain that I have over a window that faces our front street. Of course, there's Superman. Everybody's been wondering about Superman. So I'll give you a nice little quick peek of Superman here. There he is. And then we're back over here. to my messy desk. I like to have things on my desk that make me happy. And this is some of the stuff that makes me happy. Now, if we go over here, we can see we have our secondary camera. This is the camera that my brother Raymond gave to us. It's a high quality camera from Canon. This is the XH-A1S. It is a great news camera, and we're using it here, so we're doing our best to do that. And of course we have lighting. You can see some lighting over there, and we've got some more lighting over here. We're just ghetto, we've got some ghetto diffusers on them right now. There are some diffusers that are coming, proper softbox diffusers that are coming to go over that. Way over there you'll see there's more junk, but we won't get into that. We've got a little refrigerator down here and some other goodies. All right, so we're in well, I live in a duplex, so the ceilings aren't very tall here. I can actually touch the ceiling. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a quick little jaunt upstairs. Before we do that, I'm gonna kind of show you where we've got printers set up at the moment. The printers that we have here at the house are, of course, the Anycubic 0. We've got the Lotmaxx SC-10, and of course my Cr-10 S are both here. And I've got to build a shelf in this area so that we can put printers on. I'm just going to quickly show you that now. So yeah, it's not very exciting. So it's going to get a little dark. So we're going to head upstairs and we're going to show you what we've got going on up there. You can tell I don't vlog very much because I'm not keeping my face in frame very well. Okay, so now we're going up to the main floor and we're going to head into what we're calling the B-roll room. And this is where we're going to photograph and do a lot of our special stuff. So let's go in there now. Turn on a light. Our special stuff. Okay, so we're in the room. Let me just give you a quick tour around. So currently we are doing some cool stuff. First and foremost, we've set up this room. This is a bedroom in our house that we set up. Again, the ceilings aren't very tall. Look how close my fingers are. Ceilings aren't very tall in this place. I'm 6'2", but this is a printer that we're doing some B-roll on right now. We got some fantastic stuff coming for this. This is the Cr-10 Max, which you guys are going to see a review on very soon. We've got an old PC down here with a monitor, a keyboard on my slider, and that's set up so that we can use this camera, this C920, as a slow-mo cam, or a, what do you call that? You know, time-lapse cam. Then we've got some filaments in there, and we've got some filaments up in there, and we got filaments down in there. So we've got a lot of filaments in this house. We've got stuff down there. This room is what's left over from a purge that we just recently did, and we still have to get rid of more of it, but for now, this is what it's going to look like. But this is a really cool kind of setup. We've got 3 lights. We've got one there, one over here, and one over here. It's nice soft boxes. And that's pretty much what we're going to use this room for B-roll. And whenever we're doing reviews on printers and stuff. So this printer is coming out next week. This is FlashForge Cr-10 Max. Being stranded at home sucks. And I am stranded here at least until Monday, when I go back to Spool 3D and do some work there. Got some great stuff coming up in the weeks to come. Like I said, we've got that Cr-10 Max from FlashForge coming up. Looking any day now to receive the Creality resin printer, the 2R, I believe it is. And we're going to get some more cameras set up. We're going to do a few more things here. Again, we're waiting for a couple of soft boxes, and when those come in, of course, you guys will be the first to know. So if you haven't already, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and leave us a comment down below. This is kind of a quick behind the scenes look at what we do, or how we do it here on the first layer. And yeah, I kind of showed you a little bit the other night when we did our live stream, but I thought I'd give you a little bit more in-depth look at it. So until next time, my friends, remember that the first layer is always your foundation to a great print, and we will see you on Saturday night for our Ask for Help live show. So get your questions in.